This video shows how to buy shares of Rli Corp, a specialty property and casualty insurance company. Rli Corp trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RLI, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy RLI, you will need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to show the workflow. After registering, you must verify your account with a government ID and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RLI to find Rli Corp. Select a listing that matches the NASDAQ ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and inspect the price chart for recent activity. Confirm the page clearly shows Rli Corp and the NASDAQ ticker RLI before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your RLI position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.